Hello everyone, this is my channel Learn Web Technologies. Today we will talk about image sprite. So this is the same example I'm using and this is the HTML part for scene. Okay. So basically what is image sprite? Image sprite is a collection of images like we have small images in our project. So we are doing we are creating a single image and put in a put every image on that image. Then why we are using this? Because we don't want to to get a request from the server. Basically when you are hitting the one URL from for the image, then a server request is gone. So that's for removing the server request we are using an image sprite. Okay, I will show you an image sprite first. So this is basically an image sprite in which six images are shown. This one first, second, and three, and this one is a dark color of the same. Okay, so if you use these three images in a different images, then basically six hits and gone to the server and then take back to the response. So it takes some time. So for removing that time, we are using this one. Okay, for that, I'm just removing all this from here and just save and removing all this from here and just save. Okay, now what I'm adding a anything you can add. You can add a div tag as home. Just save and then you can add here. You just add a background URL. It's what is this image name is sprite.gif. Sprite.gif. Then save and refresh. So its image is not coming. Why it's not coming? I think you can check the console and it's shown the error because it's not taking the path basically. So where is the path in test? But where we are in CSS folder, so you can just go back to the CSS folder and after that it's a sprite.gif image. Okay, and you can add some height 20 pixel and width is 20 px. Just see and then refresh. Now it's also not showing. You can check basically why it's not showing, because it's not taking the right way. Okay, now I got it, the reason why it's not showing. You can just now it's you can see, so it's now it's showing basically. Okay, now you can add some width here. Okay, and a height also, so it will show. Okay, and place both this from height and width. Okay, so this image is coming. You can add no repeat here and add a 0 comma 0. Okay, why it's 0 comma 0? Horizontally it's 0 and vertically is 0. Okay, now I want another image. This arrow, right arrow, right arrow. For that, you can apply the same thing for the right arrow. Okay, and just save and refresh. You just change this one. So it's basically coming from the horizontally. Okay, it's showing full. and you just remove some width also, so it will show proper. And height, you can just check where it height is. I think height is okay. So you just copy this and paste here. Okay, so that's that's how it works basically. You have to think about this one only, this 0 and 0, this one, and you just apply height and width and just background, and you have to take care of this only. Basically this 47 is coming because 0 is the first property and you are doing the right property in the left side, so you're just adding a minus horizontally and 0 vertically. Okay, you can use in any where you just add a URLi tag. Okay, you just add a tag also, and inside a, if you want, like id is home, and another one is back button. Yeah, arrow left. Here you can add arrow right. Just save, then refresh. Nothing will happen. Only p tag is happening. Why it's not coming? Because you have to add this one, and you are just adding left arrow. Just save and then refresh. Why it's not showing? Because you have to add some display block also. Okay, you can add here or okay. Now what you want in this, all this coming in a single line. For that you can do is, and you don't want this bullet line also, so for that you just add a list style, none, and padding is 0 and margin is 0 for extra space. And you want in a single line, so you just add a display inline property for li, so everybody is coming in a single line. If you will remove this, then you can see nothing is coming. Okay, for that you just apply in an a tag also lia display inline also, just add inline block. Okay, so it's coming basically. Now you want a third one also. Okay, so you just copy this and paste it here and add a arrow right, yeah, id here. Just save and then refresh. Now you just change the position. You have to use the this inspect element. Without this you can't imagine what this value is coming. So you can scroll up and scroll right. You have to see basically what is happening. Okay, you're just adding and you're just little bit bigger width, and you can remove from, you can just, you will do little bit right side. Okay, so that's fine. 91. Just save. Now you want this all image hover on that particular div. For that it's also simple. You just copy this one and add it here, and you just do a hover element. Okay, you just I think you, you only change to this one properties. You can check first key, you have to change this your property. Okay, it's minus 45. So I think it's minus 45 for everybody, for every right side. Okay, if you will apply, just save, and then first you can see this one. See, it's coming. You can do for everything. Suppose okay, now you will know key how this. Firstly, you can just add a hover property here, and in 0 pixel, and you know the how much pixel you have to come below. It's minus 45 pixel, so you can just directly add here, so you can see. Okay, same for the right arrow. Just save, and then add a hover element here, and you can add same minus there, so you can see. So that's all for today basically. So I want to show you this only. Now we are using many CSS here, so I just want to remove that particular CSS. For that, what you can write, you just add this one, and I think you can remove this height and width from the hover tag because it's taking the parent element. Okay, just save and refresh. See, it's not required to add in a hover, so you just remove from here also, and you can remove from the hover also. Just save and then refresh. Now you will see the same output. Okay, now you can see how you will do, like what you will do for removing some CSS. So I will check. You just add a background property here. Okay, and you just add a background position here and remove this one from here. You can check it's coming or not. I think you have to remove from everywhere. I'm just checking. Okay, okay, see, and just see. So basically it's not showing. Why it's not showing? Because you have to add background image. Is you just remove background image and background, repeat, no repeat. Just save and then refresh. Now it's also not showing. Okay, because this property is come inside the li tag, not for the li also, because we are using this one na. So it's coming in li or lia or property sets it's applying, so that's why it's not coming. Okay, now you got my point. Why it's not coming from here? Because we are using li and lia, so it's applying to both li and lia properties, these two. So it's little bit modifying css. So every time you have to check how much CSS you will remove from that. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you guys for listening. Have a good day.